All right, sorting a list in Python can be really super easy. It's just as easy as ABC. But I see some people make this mistake. They try to return a value. When you are, for instance, let's say we have an array that contains a list of integers, uh, 8, 4, 2. So this is an unordered list. So this list needs to be sorted. So I see some people, they trying to try to return something sorted array equals, and then they will now use the sort method, on this, and this is not going to return anything because by default this sort method returns none. It returns a non value. So if you try to, for instance, print the sorted array, you're gonna be getting none because it returns no value. Okay, it returns no value. So this should be used directly on your list. So the sort method should be used directly on your list, and you should just print your list, just like that, and then it would have sorted your list. And if I print the list right now, you see that my list is now sorted. The same thing goes for string. When you are trying to sort your string, it's simply just arrange. It simply just sort your list chronologically, something like this. If you have apple, you have dog, you have ball, and then you have a cat. All right, so you can see this list is not sorted. This is an unordered list. You have A starting with apple, D for dog, ball, cat. All these ones are not sorted. So to sort it, all you have to do is just add this sort method. Remember, this sort method does not take any argument. All right. So without returning anything, you just print your array and it would have been sorted. You can see this list is now sorted. We have our apple, we have our ball, next cat, and the dog. So that's basically how it works. And the good thing is that it works both on string and an integer without any trouble. So take note of that. It will help you a lot in your interviews. Good luck.